Hello, everyone. My name is Jalen Cook. I have been teaching for 3 years now. I teach middle school math for 7th and 8th grade at a small school located in Texaco, New Mexico. I am currently pursuing my master's degree in instructional technology. My goals, once I complete that degree, are to help train other teachers on using technology in their classrooms. I don't really know that I want to be an instructional coach as far as that goes, but I'm not ruling the idea out either. I really love my job right now, but I do look forward to seeing what other doors this degree opens for me once I complete it. Um, some of my strengths would be that I'm not afraid to try something new in regards to incorporating technology into my classroom. But at the same time, I think that also is a weakness because I can try sometimes to incorporate a few too many things, and then I get overwhelmed, and so do the kids because, they're constantly changing tools. So I really had to try to tell myself to limit it to, get comfortable with one thing before incorporating another, even though there are so many cool tools out there that we can use. Um, in regards to online instruction, I've never really thought about it, especially in a public high school. My sister's teaching in an online school right now, and in regards to that, I've thought about online instruction, but I've never thought about incorporating it into an actual face-to-face school. So I'm really looking forward to this class because I think some of these components could definitely help with student engagement that we face every day. In regards to reaching my goals, I think that the biggest thing is just being open minded and willing to learn from you guys and from the material. So I really look forward to working with you, and good luck this semester.